Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'd just like to thank all of you for making the Kickstarter for my new book, Forged in Snow, Finnish Small Arms 1917 to 2025. An absolutely fantastic experience. It's gone unbelievably well. We have knocked out every single stretch goal that we set up for the book. And honestly, like the features that we've got built into the book at this point are going to be fantastic. I know those of you who have pledged, pre-ordered a copy of the book, you guys are going to love it. If you haven't yet, well, you still have about 12 hours or so as of when this video is posting. The Kickstarter officially ends tonight, December 5th at 9 p.m. Mountain Time. So we have spine hubs in the book. We're having custom end bands and custom end sheets. I've already started working on the process of looking for and acquiring a piece of custom commissioned artwork for the frontispiece of the book. We have the Ex Libris labels, which by the way, one comes with every copy of the book sold during the pre-sale. We have the cocktail sheets. That's going to be a lot of fun. I've started thinking about that one as well. We hit that stretch goal just 2 days ago, right here at the very tail end of the campaign. We have 4 extra text sections going into the book. We have the Simo Heuha biography section, which I still need to do. That's one of the lagging pieces because, of course, it was a stretch goal. We also have a couple of content additions. We're going to be adding in a short section on the really weird L35 target pistol. It's kind of like that. Like under all the bling, it's one of those. As well as the Dux 53 and Dux 59 guns, which are sort of this weird end story of Tikakoski submachine guns after World War II in West Germany. It's a very cool story. We'll be adding that in as well. And of course, the biggest one of our early stretch goals, is an extra section on the commercial Valmet semi-auto rifles, which are frankly the Finnish AKs that we actually have here in the United States. So I've already been working on that section. That's going to be, I hope, a really good one as well. We will be shortly going into the editing, the serious editing process to finalize everything, get the book ready for sending off to the printer. We are anticipating having it sent off to the printer by the end of this month, the end of December, and having books in hand and shipping August of next year. That's the goal. That's the timetable. That's a pretty conservative timetable. That leaves us a couple months of leeway in the process compared to what it ought to take. So I'm pretty confident that we'll be able to make that. I hope we will. It is a lot of work running a Kickstarter like this, not to mention it's a lot of work writing a book like this. This is a book that's been about 5 years in the making, and I am really, truly very excited to have it coming so close to its conclusion at this point. It's going to be awesome. I'm really happy with how everything's turned out. The review versions that I've sent out to some subject matter expert folks have all come back really positive. That's exciting. Anyway, I'm rambling now. Like I said, the Kickstarter ends tonight. I will be doing a roughly 2-hour live stream just to sort of celebrate and, well, I need something to do for the last 2 hours rather than just hit F5 and refresh and watch it. So we'll be doing a live stream this evening. That's December 5th. We're going to start it at about 7 p.m. Mountain Time. So if you're interested, come join me, hang out, we'll chat. Not just specifically Finnish book stuff, but whatever you guys want to talk about. 2 hours of hopefully fun live stream with probably some, well, absolutely some whiskey on my part. I've got some Kuro stuck in the globe there when I don't have a pistol lying up against it. But pour yourself a cool, refreshing beverage and join me at 7 p.m. or so tonight Mountain Time. That's 7 p.m. Arizona, 7 p.m. Mountain. Let's hang out. Let's watch the end of the Kickstarter and see what number it actually gets to. That's always one of the really exciting parts. So anyway, thank you all very much for all the support so far, and it's been awesome. I will see you guys tonight.